Hi everyone, welcome back to Curriculum Mapping with G Suite. In today's video I'm going to give you an update on the standards tracker I've been developing. So just to recap, we've previously created an add-on to insert standards into unit planners like so. So this is a unit planner in my Google Drive folder. And if I would like to insert, for example, ISTE standards, I could launch my standards add-on, and I would select ISTE from the form. This will load an accordion-style menu of ISTE outcomes. And the ones that I would be working with, I would simply click on to add them to my unit planner. And say I'm done with that. I can then head over to the tracking sheet, which is actually the data that is feeding the add-on. So if I come to that, this is the ISTE sheet that is feeding the add-on. And now what I'm going to do with the standards tracker is essentially color code every time that standard is found in one of the unit planners. So it's going to iterate through all the files in that Google Drive folder looking for matches of strings of text. So step one would simply be to define your unit planner folder so it knows where it's looking. You do that one time and it's good. And then subsequent times, if you want to check, you just click Find Standards and it'll clear all the formatting first, and then it'll recolor code all of the standards that it finds. So just to recap, looks like we got EL 1A, 1D, and 4C. So we're going to go ahead and run the standard checker and see if it highlights those documents. So when you launch it, it's not going to do anything right away. It's going to load a sidebar. And the reason for this is that if you have many unit planner files, you're going to run out of execution time. It's just not possible to check every single standard you may have. You may have lots of them on here, and you have to check every single pattern. So it's just not going to be possible to do that within the allowable time. So using a sidebar, you can use a continuation token to kind of bounce back and forth between the UI and the Google Sheet, essentially buying more time. So, so every 10 or so files, the clock starts over again, so to speak. So I'm going to go ahead and click Start, and it's churning away now, and I am hoping to create some sort of progress bar here. I haven't gotten that far yet, but just so you get a sense of where it is in the process of looking for those standards. See, that was pretty quickly, but again, it was only one file. So it did locate this one, and this one. So going through a lot of files, it'd be very quickly to identify which standards we are not documenting in our curriculum. So that's the latest update. I could probably share this template out fairly soon if you're interested in tinkering with it more. But I do see that I do need to build in some word wrapping and some other things into the code as well. But this is essentially it. So thanks for watching. Bye.